What? 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 Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, you, a franchise the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent in a full effect, you know it already Gaza Nation. You know a loud explosion each and every time I sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. What? Watch how things are get real electrifying right now. You know the most electrifying, man. Watch. So here me I say right about now, cause right about now, we get serious with this government system thing, in Jamaica, where demands are changing, the people and the citizens of Jamaica, We're supposed to want a better future for yourself and for your people, them, especially all the people them in the ghetto, because here we are going, man, from we look at them give with the pledge, you see me? I mean, I know if like, cause basically, I think the pledge, it's just a bag of nice words that's spoken to make people feel like them justify in themselves, like them, like, you know what I mean, a one country and the people them are one people. It's all like, it's like a scam, the pledge. I really thought me make a lollipop thing, because here what them a say, before God and all mankind, I pledge my love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body. In the service of my fellow citizen, I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood and peace, the world diligently and creatively, to think generously and honesty, so that Jamaica remain under God, increasing beauty, fellowship and prosperity, and play our part in the advance of the welfare of the whole human race. What kind of bumbuckler justice them are talking about? What? The justice only for the rich people, or justice to only society people? Eh? And then them say out of many we are one people. One your pussy clot, one way. You know what I mean? When you don't go show courtesy to certain people, not all of the people them. You know what I mean? You don't want but abuse the poor people them, and then the rich people them get a slap on the wrist. You know what I mean? Because what kind of justice you have a go on? Let me ask you, what kind of justice you have a go on? Because the whole vybz kartel and you want to prosecute him because you want him to be the leader, and you want him to be the one that who teach for the children after the man is a dancehall artist. You know what I mean? I don't know how you go like say the man do tutoring. You know what I mean? I'm some form of guidance counselor. You know what I mean? I'm some form of political leader or some form of religious leader. So now go on, like the man, fit in a them category there, and I have people for them category there. And what are you doing? You know what I mean? And the government will run down upon the man for them shit there. First thing, discipline start from your home first, before you go out in the world. Discipline start at your home before you even start go school, church, all of these shit. You know what I mean? So I don't know how comes you want to hold a strong band upon the man until you make it get so bad till you act like I let you want to let go the man. I don't know what kind of thing you deal with, because in the first place, you don't put nothing instructor for the people them. Nothing no instructor for the poorer class of people them. No jobs now open up. You know what I mean? Instead the country get better, it'll go backward. No resource. You know what I mean? No office for straighten up the economy. So what now deal with? All along we need to blame Rastaman and want to beat them, kill them for marijuana. We don't make America legalize marijuana over. You know what I mean? And now we control the best marijuana in the world. You know what I mean? And all along the artists them a sing, and the reggae artists them and the dancehall artists them a sing, and I say legalize marijuana, legalize ganja. No, I don't want burn it down, I don't want kill people with liquor, I don't want lock up people feet. You see what I deal with? And police want to hold people with it, and if you don't have the money if you give them imprisonment or lock up and burn down the whole crap and all them things there. You see what I deal with? No, the country the leading country in the world who no like follow. Watch what them do. I legalize it, and it make crazy money out there. All in the corner store them mess it. You see what I deal with? And this I want you start run down and a butt abuse people for. You know what I mean? I'm going to show you. The youth them in the ghetto. From me and youth, I see youth in the ghetto, I make the local box truck them, with the local wheel them, use straw and make the wheel them off of the record them. You know what I mean? And pluck out the record wheel and then use straw and matchstick and make a trailer truck them and them thing there. Man, I make them thing there, you know. Uno as a big government people, uno not see that, you know, the local youth them in the ghetto make them shit there. And Mr. Man grow up to come say man make them thing there out of plastic and use remote and drive them thing there. You know what I mean? And the reason why I say them thing there because uno not teach you them nothing. You think uno teach you get a youth them out to make them thing there with them beer and you know see the man them make skate from a local boy make skate with bearings and them shit there. Look at first world country see the youth them do that and what them do. A scooter them make and sell. A crazy money them thing they make. Because if you look at youth in America have them shit there, you might walk go to the store with them parents, them might ride on them look at scooter. You know what I mean? I couldn't input on that because I don't teach the people them nothing. So without education you are nothing, or without a good trade you are nothing. We do not input nothing. First thing we do is cut all fabric and them shit there. We don't want to buy beer, imported clothes. You know what I mean? People are not export nothing. Jamaica have the most star in the whole Caribbean. So anything at all want to make another input and an export with all of these stars we have logo upon it or whatever, especially Bob Marley must sell and a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? Well, what's China make be a knockoff thing and people are cuss them. China one of the most like successful country when you talk about export. You know what I mean? And another lollipop thing. We not fair watch nobody. But you know what I mean? What to the wicked tail of them where we have a Jamaica. We not support them thing. You know what I mean? And nobody now build up no factory. You know what I mean? That's people can get work on them thing there. The wicked shoemaker them we can make clocks, every one of them thing there. We have stop watch them thing there because people from China do them thing there. Nobody now watch them thing there. And let me tell you something, now watch another man spend your money the way you can afford it. You know what I mean? We could have a factory with them thing that all 200 people are work day and night, you know what I mean? Give people things to do, you know what I mean? Because in order to make your country tough and strong as a nation of people, we have to input and we have to improvise, you know what I mean? We have to have things going. What are we exporting? You know what I mean? We have so many great, skillful people in the country, and they instead of the government put something input something instructor in business sell out the country. Everything sell out. So where you think the economy are gonna go? You know what I mean? And when things on time, tough on them shit there, and the youth them rebel, you know, a murder the cry. You know that? You know what I mean? Then you don't want to come and blame Vybz Cartel, the artist. How long the man them a tell you now, legalize marijuana? If it's even half of Jamaica debt that could have paid up. You know what I mean? No, you don't want to legalize. You don't want to kill man with lick. Police are run out a jeep, bust up man face, all kind of stupid shit because he must smoke a spliff. You see what I deal with? Uno go raid the man them look a farm, uno burn down the whole of the man them thing. Light it a fire, and uno take away a portion for uno self, and uno go sell it and make uno money. And then uno drive all these expensive vehicles and nobody now investigate uno. Uno a police, we uno get money from for afford them shit then. Nobody a check up on uno. No, but when you check up on some youth when you claim say a scammer car and you see some big house a build up on them shit there. Nobody no scam people like Uno. You know what I mean? When you want a country or an island fair run good, you have to have choices for the people. Give the people them choices. Where the choices there? You know what I mean? Where the choice is there, you want to stick on things from people, and if them not obey by that, you don't know the penalty. You don't know do nothing, my brethren. And then you want to put all the blame on Vybz Kartel. What are you not doing? This man is not a preacher. You know what I mean? This man is not a religious leader. This man is a dancehall artist. You know what I mean? This man not go around and take on tutoring house by house with family. The man and that type of work that the man do. You know what I mean? So if him supposed to be a role model for the country, what are the prime minister, the government of the country shall be? You know what I mean? That means I think the prime minister then for step down and give Vybz Kartel the prime minister. Because uno want him to be the role model a society and the whole country, the whole of the youth them in the country. Uno want him to be that role model. So the prime minister need to step down and give Vybz Kartel the prime minister for run Jamaica. Since at that, why uno got pressure him? Because him supposed to take up the country in and be the road model for the whole youth them, the whole of the youth them in the country. What are the government job in the country? Then since the government can't do that and him have a bigger influence upon the people them in the country like that, the government must step down and give Vybz Kartel them position. You know what I mean? And then you can point all finger upon him. You know what I mean? And then a lollipop thing of the general, the 10-star one I represent. You know what I mean? I'm just say a time now people for no wise up. Them now do nothing for no. Instead them do nothing for no, them a bat abuse you know. Look on the metropolitan board them who are go around and I run after people them off of the sidewalk and I take with the people them goods. The people them come with them goods for sell and make money. And instead them a make money, we not take with them goods and then them have to pay for get them back. And then somehow no boy thief out the people them goods out of the warehouse. So when them even pay them money, it's not the same amount of goods we want to take up. You know what I mean? I want to have nothing instructor who can put the people them for sell and hustle them money. I'm seeing a big America people on the sidewalk all boat to sell them thing and nobody now run them down and nobody now chase them. Man a sell watch, man a sell phone, battery, charger, all kind of thing. Man a sell drawers, man a sell belt, man a sell jewelry, all kind of shit on the sidewalk. You know what I mean? All wagon there they sell food. You know what I mean? Me not see nobody a chase them off. You know what I mean? So you want to deal with the people them way there and then you want to come and talk about everybody put finger upon Vybz Kartel and first thing do make sure start chat them stupidness there and some look of fool people take it on with and from the street start them look at they start going on the street and so comes hold on upon the man and feel like so for prosecute him. You know what I mean? All because the man say him is not no role model, he is a dancehall artist. When you know want a whole dancehall artist as role model? When? Why him supposed to be the first? Look how much dancehall artists come up and gone. Because dancehall start from the great King Stitch and Daddy Uri. You know what I mean? And then you'd have the famous Brigadier Jerry, Charlie Chaplin, Josie Whale. You have the Assman, Sasa Flash, the whole of them artists there. John Wayne, them, the whole of them man there. You know what I mean? come into this time and at this man you want to hold for that. All because you want him to do a show and him don't do the show. And through him go against you order and you feel like you are the God for all of the people, the citizens in Jamaica. And once nobody no take no talk, worse if it's a ghetto youth, it look like it's a total disrespect to you. So you have to find something for put on him. But remember, I tell you, lollipop thing on our deal with it, and more important thing are going in the country than that. And I'm going to show the people them, I tell you, we have to start look out for the best interest of ourselves. So we have to start look out for somebody who we think can help you. You know what I mean? We don't need to get out them, we don't need to form a different party, my brethren. Form a different party. You know what I mean? Put a Rastaman in power. And that may I say. You know what I mean? Put a Rastaman in power. We're going to stand up for our roots, our culture, and stand up for the people them in the country. And we're not talking about no particular people. It's supposed to be good for everybody, because anything we're good for the goose, good for the gander. You know what I mean? Police is the most scammer in the country. Ticket, traffic police, will you like anything you do wrong, instead of give you a ticket, he might take money from you. And the government know them things, because a whole heap of them people fucked up and make them and bring other police on them and them in a court for them shit there. So them know a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? At them type of shit though me I talk about, and it goes on and on. It no matter where police hold you with in a Jamaica. From you have the money, it's all cute and crisp. A real thing me I tell you about. And a lollipop thing. When you know the general, the 10 star wanna represent for Gaza in a full effect. And me I say vybz Kartel is not a religious leader. And I don't think vybz Kartel is a tutor. You see what me I deal with? So if the government of Jamaica and the higher society people them think vybz Kartel supposed to be a role model for the youths them in Jamaica. Mr. Prime Minister, may I beg you please step down and hand over the Prime Minister to vybz Kartel, because if you have no all nor no moral like pan the people them, the citizens them in the country like that, and nobody now look up to you cause you don't influential enough, and it over to vybz Kartel then, sir. No disrespect. You know what I mean? Just hand it over to him, sir. Hand over the Prime Minister to him, sir. Because you have no form of effect on the country. You understand? And you're not influential enough. You know what I mean? So just being there as an empty source, it means nothing at all, because no pull now go forward. And remember, I lock up this man because I claim say this man have a whole heap of influence on the youth them in the country, and him not instruct them in the right and proper manner the way or you want him to do it. Well, if uno are the government of the country and uno have no influence upon the youth, upon the people them in the country like that, then it not make no sense. Step down and hand it over to somebody who have influence upon the people them in the country and can move the country in the right and proper manner. That's all my office here, the general, a 10 star way my roll, and anytime I sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment, know a loud explosion. And the explosion when I talk about after some politician and in the government system, when them sit down and eat them dinner and watch all this, explode them heart explode out, because I'm no a lollipop thing 10 star I deal with. Watch. Gaza way. Ain't no other way. Watch.